Hi guys, this is Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm just going to add an elegance theme button to one of my text blocks here, and I'm going to show you how to customize that button with a bit of CSS. Elegant themes buttons are great, they do come styled already, but it's not necessarily the style that I want. So let's add my button here. This is the text block I'm working on here. And we'll just add a button just below there. Here's our add elegant themes button here. So let's just add that one. Okay, let's make it green and large or big. That's where I'll put the URL. I'm not ready to put that in yet, so I'll just leave it as is. And I want to say download form for the text and open link in a new window. Yes. Okay. So let's save that and take a look. And preview our changes. And there's our block there. Okay, there's a button. It's okay. It is a button. It's just not the button that I'd like to see there. What I kind of want is I want to make it more like a button that we've got up here. Let's just see what color this one is. Okay, let's grab that color a minute. For those of you who didn't know, I just hit the F12 to bring up this inspector, then right clicked on the element I wanted to look at and hit inspect, and it took me to that little button and showed me the color that I needed, which was right here. So what I'm going to do is go down to this element right here, which is our new button, and see if we can't style it to look a bit more like this one up here. So we've got white capitalized text and square corners. So let's inspect this one. There we are, big green. That's really what we want here. So let's take its color. That's a border color. I want to make it the same color as the other one. And a background. At the moment it's got a gradient. I just want it to be a color. So if I put that color in here, hashtag and the color, that's turned it to the correct color now. And the actual color of the writing, which should just be color here, I'm not quite sure why it's blanked out there. Oh, I see. It's background. So I want to make the writing white. Quite sure why it's crossing that out. It may be, there's a color there. Maybe giving it some color elsewhere further down the line here. Okay, now we want to take those borders off. That's a border radius right there. That's the hover state. Don't really want to deal with that right now. There's the padding. Okay, well, let's just type it in here, border radius. None. That should give it square corners. Okay, we're being overruled somewhere. Here we go. Here's border radius right here. Let's just copy what we've got here for the big green button. I'm just going to copy this and put it into a text pad. Got an open notepad here. I'm just going to paste it in there. Okay, we changed that background, we changed that as well. Get rid of all that crossbar, the gradient there, we don't need any of that. And why have we got another background in there? I do not know. Border radius none. I'm going to keep that for the time being. Just move this across here. Here's a border radius. If I just take that away, turn that off. Should turn this one on. Okay, well, let's give it 0 pixels. Okay, that's made it square. So it's starting to look a little more like this one. We want it to be uppercase. So let's go text transform. There we go, uppercase, and that's transferred it to uppercase lettering. Have we got a bit of text shadow in there? I'm not quite sure. So let's add this. Just add this to our little notepad that we got going on here. That's pretty much there. It has got a bit of box shadow going on there, hasn't it? A very slight bit. Can't really see it, so I'm not going to bother changing that. So what we're going to do now is I'll take my notepad and I'll copy this, and we're going to put this in our custom CSS sheet just to show you border radius. If you'd wanted that to be a round button, we could set this to 50%. That gives it a sort of rounded button like that. Or if you just want rounded corners, get it 50 pixels. You can play with it, get it looking how you like it. There's a nice rounded corner button like that. But I want mine square, so I'm going to leave it at 0 pixels. So we've got that, and then I'm going to do a hover effect once I've got that taken care of there. So let's just copy this and go to the dashboard, to the Divi theme options. Scroll all the way down. At the bottom you're going to see a custom CSS field. This is where we want to paste this. I'll give it a title. /*/ // now I'll just call it green button. Yeah, a bit of space below, paste in that code that we've just changed there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it again, drop it down some more. Okay, that's fine. Things that I want to change now, I'm going to put colon, no gap, colon with no gap, and again no gap, hover. So we got colon, hover, and I'll do it the same after small green. So if I put a small green button in, it'll still do the same thing. Border, I want it to stay that green color. The color of the writing, this time we want it to be this green color as well. So instead of FFF important. We've got the 9ACD68 important. Background, this time I want it to be transparent. Okay, border radius, we haven't changed any of that, so that can stay the same. And we didn't change that actually, so that can stay the same. Let's save that and see what happens here. We've saved that, got our green check mark. Back to the site, refresh the page and see if we need to overwrite anything here. Okay, our border radius. Now you see when I hover over it, it's done exactly what we want here. It's turned the background transparent. The writing itself is the same green as the border there, which is just what we wanted. But I don't want that border. We can try giving it the important, well actually border radius should be 0 pixels instead of none. Let's see that. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to our CSS code here. Border radius of 0 pixels. And we'll save that. See if that changed our button the way we want it. Refresh, it should hopefully stay the same there. Yeah, that's more like it. So there we have it. We've effectively customized our elegant themes button there. So that was a short and sweet little video. How to customize your elegant themes buttons with a bit of CSS. It's easy to do and you can get some great effects from it. Now I only need to do that once. Every time I use a green button, elegant themes button from now on, that's what it's going to look like. And like I say, it's kind of similar to the one we've got here, which is what I was going for. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.